Hello, good morning, Fridley Public Schools. Thank you all for tuning in to our Black History Month Assembly and Presentation. This is our 4th annual presentation. Let's give our district a hand. Yes. So today, we are hoping that you guys will learn something new, embrace something different. So I just want to read a opening moments of thoughts that I had within myself as before we get started. Thank you, Fridley Public Schools, for our culture and diversity and equity. Today we will be celebrating different cultures and history, and it's extremely important as we continue to be a multicultural school. Students feel safe to express who they are and their beliefs and their values and their traditions. When we learn about different cultures in our school, it helps us to feel more confident and safer about the things that are different for us now and in life later. This allows us to interact widely in a range of social groups to feel more confident with ourselves and how we want to interact with others. So today, I hope that our school community can continue to embrace and receive different cultures that impact our society today. Today, thank you for tuning in, and thank you, Fridley Public Schools, for honoring different cultures in our community. Thank you. So right now, we'll start our presentation off with our choir singing Lift Every Voice.
Lift every voice and sing, till earth and heaven ring. Bring with the heart the needs of liberty. Let a rejoicing rise high as the listening skies. Let every sound loud as the rolling sea. Sing a song full of the faith that the dark past has taught us. Sing a song full of the hope that the present has brought us. Facing the rising sun of our new day begun. Let us march on till victory is won.
Slowly the road we trod, bitter the chance seemed broad, felt in the days when old but born had died.
Steady beat, another weary feet, come to the place for which our fathers sighed. Sing a song full of the faith that the dark past has taught us. Sing a song full of the hope that the present has brought us. Facing the rising sun of our new day begun. Let us march on, let us march on till victory is won. Let us march
Thank you so much, choir. Appreciate it. That was lovely, as always. Thank you to our choir instructors from each school. Okay, next we'll have a short story for Rosa Parks by Amara and Taylor.
Ready? Excuse me, ma'am, can you move for this gentleman?
I think people should be treated equally.
All right, I have to call the police then.
No.
All right, I'm calling the police.
What is going on here?
This madam will not leave the bus.
Rosa Parks, you're on the list for not moving for the white man.
Back up. Miss Parks, thank you for standing up by sitting down on that bus.
Martin Luther King, I hope we can work together to fight for black lives.
That is exactly what I wanted to hear, Rosa. What you did got a lot of people's attention. Now we must build on this. We need a protest. We can work together to boycott this bus company.
Scene 3. Yeah, and I think that's a good idea, Martin Luther King. Scene 3.
Ready? Go for it.
Ready, go for it.
Black rights matter. Black rights matter. Black rights matter.
Black lives matter. Black lives matter. Black lives matter. Black lives matter.
On December 1st, 1955, Rosa Parks declined to give up her seat on the bus in a protest for equal rights. She was arrested later at year that she met Martin Luther King Jr. And they worked together to boycott this Montgomery Bus Company. After 381 days of the boycott, the Montgomery Bus Company was fully integrated. Thank you.
Thank you, Amar. Let's give Amar one more hand clap. Good job. All right. Next, we're going to give you guys a history into the timeline of Black history. So next, you'll have our middle school and high school students that'll come out and give you guys a little bit of history on how far the Black culture has come with entertainment, with sports, and just being able to be integrated in society and being powerful and impactful.
Hello, my name is Harriet Tubman. Between 1850 and 1860, I helped free the slaves through the Underground Railroads, which was the pathway to freedom.
The Civil Rights Movement was a non-violential social movement and campaign from 1954 to 1968 in the United States abolished, legalized racial segregation, discrimination, and anomination in the country.
My name is Shirley Chisholm. I'm the first African-American female to be elected to the United States of Congress and the first Black female to seek the nomination for President of the United States.
Hello, I was an American professional basketball player and a coach. I was the first African American to play a game in the NBA in 1958-1960.
Hello, I'm Venus. I turned professional tennis player at the age of 14. I won the NCCA single champion and French Open. Hello, I'm Serena Williams. At age 14, I entered into a wild card for U.S. Open. By age 17, I won the Glam Slam title.
We are the Sugar Hill Gang. We are the pioneers of hip-hop culture, and our song, Rapper's Delight, was the first hip-hop song to hit the airwaves in 1979.
Come on, we're going to sing it together. Let's get that hand clap.
I said a hip hop, a hip to the hip hip hop. You don't stop the rock to the bang bang boogie. Up jump the boogie to the rhythm of the boogie to beat. Now what you hear is not a test. I'm rapping to the beat. And me, the groove, and all my friends are gonna try to make your feet move. See, I am Wonder Mike, and I like to say hello to the black, to the white, the red, and the brown, the purple, and yellow.
Woo!
Hello, I am Ozai Bridges. I am an entrepreneur, and I started doing fashion when I was 9 years old. I started bows and ties by the age of 15, and I was the fashion director for the NBA.
Hello, I'm Michelle Obama. I'm an attorney and author who served as First Lady of Barack Obama. I graduated from Princeton University and Harvard Law. Don't ever make decisions based on fear. Make decisions based on hope and possibility. Make decisions based on what should happen, not what shouldn't happen.
Hello, I'm Barack. I was elected the 44th President of the United States from 2009 to 2017. Thriving our history, no. Change will not come if we wait for some other person or some other time. We are the ones we've been waiting for. We are the change we seek.
Yes, we can, and yes, we will.
All right, give them a hand clap. So that is your history. So now we'll have the choir coming up singing Glory with our featured singer, Trey Owens. And Nate Gonzalez.
One day, when the glory comes, it'll be ours, it'll be ours. Whoa, one day, when the war is won, we will be sure, we will be sure. Whoa, glory, glory, glory. Whoa, glory.
Hands to the heavens, no man, no weapon, formed again. Yes, glory is destined. Every day, women and men become legends. Sins that go against our skin become blessings. The movement is a rhythm to us. Freedom is like religion to us. Justice is just a position to us. Justice for all just ain't Pacific enough.
One day, when the glory comes, it'll be ours, it'll be ours. Oh, one day, when the war is won, we'll be sure, we'll be sure. Oh, glory, 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 glory. Now the war isn't over, victory isn't won, but we'll fight on to the finish, and then when it's all done, we'll cry glory, oh glory, oh glory.
The biggest weapon is to stay peaceful. We sing our music is a cuss that we breathe through. Somewhere in the dream we had in history. No one can win the war individually. It takes the wisdom of the others and the young people's energy. Welcome to the story we call victory. The coming of the Lord, my eyes have seen glory.
One day, when the glory comes, it'll be ours, it'll be ours. Oh, one day, when the war is won, it'll be sure, it'll be sure. Oh, glory, 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 one
All right, give them a hand clap. Good job.
Hi guys, so you did just meet me. My name is Nathan Gonzalez. But I have one more thing I'm gonna do for you guys. I'm gonna perform a slam poem called Broken Record, written by me. Okay. I'll give it a second. I'm tired of sounding like a broken record. I've grown bored with rinse and repeat racism. I thought we were past all that. I thought we were liberated. To be black in America is to understand that you can be anything. Sure, our history reflects different, but it's all better now. The world is yours to shape and achieve. Black beauty is black smiles, is black pride. We live in a day of prosperous America. Thank God MLK's dream has finally come to fruition. Reap the fruits of our labors. Cue celebrations in the streets. The world is finally safe. Oh, well, maybe not. That black boy across the street is making me a bit nervous. His hood is up, and why are his hands in his pockets? Somebody check his pockets, check his pockets, his pockets. We pop it and lock it. Let those jumping hip-hop rhythms set the tone for a tomorrow today. The world is yours to shape and achieve. Black beauty is black smiles, is black pride, is stop puppy guarding your black lives, is hey, wait a minute, ain't you lucky to be alive? I mean, aren't we all lucky to be alive in such a prosperous day of America? We got that equal rights stitch down. To be black in America is to understand that you can be anything. But you will always be one thing. You will always be something. Something inferior, something unpredictable, something dangerous. And someone please check that something's pockets if the American system's treatment of black people was a song. You take the record off the record player because you'd assume it must be broken. And I'd assure you, that it is working the exact way it was constructed to. I'm tired of sounding like a broken record. But the world is not tired of listening to my rinse and repeat music. So I will not end my song. I will not end my song, although I've heard the tunes time and time again. Instead, I will up the volume. Thank you, guys.
All right, give him a hand. Thank you all for coming. That concludes our Fridley District Black History Month Assembly. Thank you all out there and YouTube stream world for tuning in. And hopefully I'll see you all next year. Thank you.